So today we have a Audi A5 in for a hood clean and reproof. Look at the roof, see the bits on the back here. Just all around the window, usual place. The roof's not the worst, but you can see these wear lines. We've got customers pointing out a couple of little bits here. We've just got a little tiny bit there that's started to wear through. Same the other side. Another little bit here. That's just where all the dirt, as you can see if I pull that back, you can see all that dirt in there. That's where it mainly builds up. So that's having our exterior detail as well, a special offer. Not the dirtiest cars, but it will look a lot better. Oh, we're going to crack on with it, and it will look like a different car at the end of it.
Okay, so we've got the end video on the Audi, which come in for the hood clean and reproof with a minimum of 2 years protection. The special offer on the exterior also had the roof Krytoxed with the rubbers and the drain flush as well. So as we can see, she's looking lovely and beautiful, nice and shiny, and the roof as well looks like brand new. Okay, so we've got a couple of bits of wear marks in the roof, but unfortunately there's not much you can do to get them out. That's just where the dirt's been caught in the creases when it's been folding. But now it's all protected for the minimum of 2 years. So the customer can go out and enjoy it now. Okay, lovely.